Finally finished. Go and get us a nice little cold start. God dang!
I'm just ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down. She know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money. Yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that roll dough compliment.
Oh man. Oh, it's dark. Guess what we gonna do? We gonna get us some audio. Let's do this. Hopefully this freaking phone get blown back. That thing breathing. It is breathing. You hear me? This thing breathing. Oh man. We are back. The Jag is back. Do you hear me? It is back. So get up out of here. Move around. Oh my guys, we are back. We are back. We are running. I'm saying right now, man, we running. We running. We are running. Trying to hold my phone straight. Let y'all see how we performing, man. Nice little test drive. Already, look. Downpipes are on as well. Oh my gosh. And look, downpipes are on. I done already put like 60, 70 miles on this car with the downpipes and don't have a check engine light. Look. Oh, put the windows on, huh? Look. No issues. Ooh, them pipes loud. Shit! Down pipes. Whew. My gosh. Nasty, man. Look. No codes. Of course, it's not every car. It's not every model, every year, every version, every software, whatever. Like update and all that, but no codes. And I'm probably gonna install pulleys this weekend coming up, or maybe during the week. Upper and lower pulley. The tune is already in. I got the new 25 for the down pipes and the upper and lower pulley. Put that on, man. We gonna see how we do. I ain't gonna lie. I am like. I have slight anxiety, like just thinking about what this car gonna do, man. Yes, indeed. Like that fast, 140, easy.